There's always been a huge problem of keeping that personalization across multiple platforms from, as you said, LinkedIn to email.
Yes.
Where are we going with that? I mean, it's going to get quite invasive.
Is it going to be invasive? You said I missed that.
Well, I'm going to be tracked, super
You are
tracked.
tracked already, right? You are tracked today. If you abandon a shopping cart on an e-commerce site, you're very likely to see that product in a Facebook ad. So people already know they're tracked. Can you turn those tracking off? Absolutely. Everybody's giving you the opportunity that whether it's Meta or Apple, they're all giving you the opportunity to turn off the tracking. It's the job of marketers to do a good job of adding a lot of value so that you actually don't want to turn off the tracking and you don't want to see ads for women's skirts. And you'd rather at least if it's noise, see the noise for things that you're interested in. It may be single malt scotch, or it may be beer, or it may be tennis rackets, but it should be something that's of more interest to you than the things that have no interest to you at all.
Right. I mean, as marketers, we want to track everybody about everything. And as users and buyers, we don't want to be tracked. We find that shocking. So there's always that kind of contradiction between our professional life and our personal life.
Do we or don't we? I do agree that there are certain people that don't want to be tracked, but if you go to the same coffee shop every morning, wouldn't you like them to say, "Hey, Jason, your here's your if it's a here's your latte,
Mm,
no sugar," or do you want to walk in anonymous and they say, "We don't track you, we don't remember anything. Tell
yeah.
us what you want," right? And you can give us any name you want. That
Yeah.
either every you want the personalization.
Sure.
Um,
Well,
uh,
and I suppose what I kind of meant is there's a knee-jerk reaction against it, but we all like it at the end of the day. Or
yes,
most of us like it and appreciate it.
CaliCube. Your brand is what Google and AI say it is.